It's Toy Test, Toy Test, Toy Test Tuesday.
This Toy Test Tuesday is brought to you by Enjoy Your Gift. Willie makes me smile with every video, and I hope this makes him happy, from Melody Adams. Thanks, Melody. Wait till you see this. This is called the Smart Cat toy. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It comes with all these features. Eee! Fully charged. Are you ready? Okay, it has different directions. Let's speed. Oh, look at that. It has a wiggle. Oh. Okay. I think that's a no on Willie's head. Well, there we go. Okay, Willie, what do you rate this one? Okay, but seriously, this toy is amazing. It may not be for every kitty, but Willie is a very skittish cat. So this is awesome. Thank you so, so much. High five. Yeah.